Sisense offers extensive mapping capabilities. A map is exactly like any other widget, where you merely select the relevant data and then choose the visualization option, in this case mapping. A map can be generated by any kind of geographical data, like country, city, state, longitude or latitude, or zip code. So in this example, let's start with country, and we can add a measure that we're interested in this case sum of cost. I can then choose one of the two mapping options to the left, either an area chart, which highlights countries, or a scatter map option, which plots points of locations in the map. To get more advanced configurations, I can simply click on the Configurations tab, and it will open up in another window where I can continue to configure the display of data. For a scatter map, I can configure first of all which level of granularity I want to work on, so country, state, or city, as well as choose different settings for representations of each point. So the size can be determined by a single metric, and the color can be determined by another metric. So in this case, we can use the number of visits to determine the color. Furthermore, we can customize what the actual color reflects. So I can choose a single color, or a range where I can define the minimum and maximum values based on a specific custom range and the number of transitions I want to see. And I can even use a conditional value to actually determine what the color should be. So we have a variety of options to highlight specific options on this scatter map. In addition, I have configuration settings over here, so I can determine how the point looks and the range of the size of each point. Furthermore, I can add additional geographical locators. I can also do that by city, and you'll see it will change and update the result based on additional factors. Another mapping option is to work on area map. So I can easily change to the area map, and again, I can either choose a world view or a view of the United States, and I can use this as an option to plot data. Once I'm satisfied with my chart, I can simply click Apply, and it will add to the actual dashboard. Maps can be easily zoomed in. There is extensive capability to zoom to a very granular level as well, and this can provide an end user with a very detailed and granular data for mapping purposes.